Hi everybody, excuse how bad I look today, but I got some new makeup I wanted to try today, for my original Froppy look that everybody loves so much. Excuse me, I'm eating a Jolly Rancher. And I got this, Juvia's Place foundation, concealer, and setting powder, and I want to try it out for a cosplay look. And also, I got this e.l.f. primer because I usually use Tatcha and I wanted to try it out as well. This is e.l.f. Poreless Primer, Poreless Putty Primer. I'm going to start off with a little bit of that and rub it in my face. Forgot to take out my piercings. Let me do that. Alright, I took out my piercings. I'm sorry I forgot to do that. So now they're out. I rubbed in that primer and now I'm gonna put this foundation on. And I have my little beauty blender that came with that little e.l.f. kit. And a little bit here and here. I saw somewhere this is like really full coverage foundation. I like to apply it, whoa. Look how how much that covers. That's crazy. You do not, I got it in my hair, I'm sorry. You do not need much of this. Holy crap. Okay, anyways. I'm not used to how well this covers, because I've been using cheap foundation lately. Well, I wasn't using cheap foundation. I was using Kat Von D foundation, but it does not cover nearly as well as this. Wow. I got the concealer, I'm gonna try that out. I used Tarte Shape Tape Concealer last time and I was not impressed. It was expensive. It did not cover the circles under my eyes. Honestly, the foundation itself is starting to cover the circles under my eyes, so I'm not even sure I need much of this underneath my eyes. And it comes with almost as much concealer as it does foundation. Wow. I'm setting it with the setting powder by Juvia's Place as well. Okay. Okay. That looks great. I love it. Looks really good. Here. Here's an up close because I know most beauty people don't do like an up close of their makeup. So you can see. So I use this Tarte Sugar Rush eyeliner. I use it in white every time I draw my eyes bigger. So I'm gonna use that. And I just draw a little bit on here. I know this is not the most ideal way to do this, and then I smear it a little bit with my finger. Like that. And I do it to the other side. I'm gonna start drawing on my eyeliner now. So I drew this, see this one? I drew it like down and over. I'm gonna do the same right here. I'm gonna draw a line over. Okay, so I'm gonna link these in the description. This pack of eyelashes you can get off Amazon. They come with top and bottom eyelashes. So you're gonna use this set of bottom eyelashes out of the pack, and you're gonna snip the little pieces off of it. And she has like 3 little eyelash pieces, and I'm gonna snip those off of there and use it. You can use either Kiss eyelash adhesive, or you can use Duo eyelash adhesive. Either works, but you're gonna cut them in the little tiny sections like this, and you're just gonna, once the glue dries clear, you're gonna put it on there in 3 little sections like that, and you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, because she has like 3 little eyelashes on the bottom. So I got these eyelashes from Unique Sew, and I trimmed them, and I'm gonna put them on real quick because I haven't mastered putting on eyelashes yet on video, so I'll be right back. So I used a brow pomade, which is the Anastasia one. You could use whatever eyebrow product you want to use, it doesn't matter. She just has black eyebrows. So next I'm gonna use some green paint to paint the face mask she has. This is like a generic one I had off of Amazon. I'll put in the link in the description. So I'm gonna paint that on here. And it's not very dark, so I'm probably gonna go back over with some other makeup that I have. Okay, I think that's good. I usually don't use blush with my Froppy look, but I feel like a tiny bit up here would be kind of cute. I don't know. Like a little bit. Yeah. And this is up close. So